Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error LS-0018 Fortnite. Chapter 1. How to fix error LS-0018 Fortnite restarting the app. To start, open the Task Manager from the Start menu. Here, select the Epic Games Launcher process and then click on End Task. This will close the associated processes. When you do this, in the search box enter Epic. Click on Epic Games Launcher to open the application. There you can access Fortnite. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to fix error LS-0018 Fortnite deleting folder. To get started, in the search box enter % local app data %, click on File folder. After this, open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then access the saved folder. Here, select the folder on the screen and click Delete. Now open Epic Games Launcher again from the search box to access Fortnite. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.